How to change currency on the Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change currency on the Shein app, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to change the currency on the Shein app, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Shein shopping application here. Once you launch the Shein app, you by default you're on the home page like this, and to change our currency just tap the me option from the bottom right of the screen. Once you're here, tap the gear icon or the settings cog icon located at the top right hand side, and once you're there on that page, what you want to do is right here you'll find currency. By default the location you set to will automatically change the currency, so you can either tap on this and then set it to any other country, or when you select a specific location over here, the currency is also going to get changed automatically. This way you can change the currency on Shein. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any questions feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.